Parliamentary democracy is one where balance of popular participation and elite rule take place. The government is responsible not to public but to the elected representatives. Balance of popular participation and elite rule take place. The parliamentarians are delegated to the responsibility of thinking and acting on behalf of their constituents. The parliamentarians are delegated to the responsibility of thinking and acting on behalf of their constituents. Parliamentary democracy is one where balance of popular participation and elite rule take place. The legislative power of the parliament includes making laws on matters not enumerated in the concurrent list and state list. In respect of entries in the state list of two or more state legislatures considered desirable for implementing any treaty agreement or a convention with any country even if it falls the state list. Committee on Radio Convention is a standing committee of the Parliament. Standing Committee. The Committee on Public Account under the Constitution of India is meant for. Committee on Public Account under the Constitution of India. Public Account. The examination of an account showing the appropriation of sum granted by the House for the expenditure of the Government India. The examination of an account showing the appropriating of sum. The scrutinizing the report of the Comptroller General. The examination of an account showing the appropriation of a sum granted by the House for the expenditure of the Government India. Formation of a new state and alteration of boundaries. Existing state. New state and alteration of boundaries. Parliament may increase the area of any state. Parliament may diminish the area of any state. Parliament can alter boundary of any state. Alter the name of any state. Statement given. Consider the following statement. The joint sitting of two houses of Parliament in India sanctioned under Article 7 of Constitution. 108. Constitution. The first joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha was held 1961 in the year. The second joint sitting of the two houses of the Indian Parliament was held to pass the Banking Service Commission's Repeal Bill. Second joint sitting held to pass sitting bill, Banking Service Commission Repeal Bill. Banking Service Commissions. Union Territories are represented within the purview of the Chief Election Commission to adjudicate the election dispute. Speaker may permit a member to address the House in his mother tongue. Speaker may permit any member to address the House in his or her mother tongue if he has and cannot adequately express in either Hindi or English. Cannot adequately express in either Hindi or English. Speaker may permit adequately express. Business of the Parliamentary Committee is transacted either in Hindi or English. Business. Minutes of a Parliamentary Committee are prepared invariably in English or Hindi. Which of the following statements as per the Constitution of India are not correct? The President tendered his resignation to the Chief Justice of India. The Vice President tendered his resignation to President. Vice President. Comptroller General India is removed from his office in the like manner as the President of India. A judge of Supreme Court to resign his office by writing under his hand address to the Chief Justice of India.